Hello friends, let's make chicken noodles. So while our chicken noodles are getting boiled, let's start the step number 2. 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. Let's fry onions, ginger, garlic and chicken together. Some salt to taste and add some crushed red pepper, some oregano, some black pepper, and also add carrot, cabbage and green bell pepper, and also add some soy sauce. Now let's mix everything very good. Now let's cover and cook for 10 minutes. So our chicken and all the vegetables get cooked perfectly and noodles get perfectly boiled. So friends, our chicken noodles are ready. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.